You are looking at a lifted Burgundy 2005 Dodge Rams 2500 where its power is awesome and has been flawless. The ride is very comfortable and the dashboard controls are easy to understand and easy to reach while you drive. Very reliable and a great work truck. It'll handle more than a top-rated load cap and has a beefy frame. We invite you to Scougall Motors in Fort Macleod, where it's tradition you can trust. We are located at 869 12th Street, 90 minutes south of Calgary and 30 minutes west of Lethbridge. Have yourself a great day.